In this class we will learn how to edit the grid created earlier, and we will see how to add lines in it, using AutoCAD commands. With our project open, in the Project Manager we select the design of the grid created in the previous class and named as structure. Let's see how to change it. We select the structure of the grid that we want to edit, and by right-clicking on it, we select the option Edit Structure. See that the Edit Grid dialog box opens, with all the information, allowing you to add axes, lines and platforms, and change their names and font size. We can still change the coordinate system. By confirming the changes by clicking OK, AutoCAD Plant 3D automatically updates the information in the grid. We must be attentive to the following: pillars, beams, slabs, shoes, stairs and bodyguard are not attached to the grid, which is only used as a reference to position these elements. Thus, when modifying the grid, we have to manually update the elements of the structure and realign them with the grid. Another way to edit the grid is by typing the command shown. After typing the command, just select the structure of the grid that we want to edit and then the Edit dialog opens. We will now see how to add lines to a grid. When we insert a grid into the drawing, it is placed as an object and always in the X, Y and Z directions. These are characteristics that we cannot change, but we can add segments of lines to form the desired structure. We use the AutoCAD line command to add a few lines. Note: these lines, in the same way as the original structure of the grid, serve as a reference for the addition of the elements that will form the project. Still, with the command line we can create complementary lines, representing structural reinforcements of our project, which can be bracing bars, for example. Such reinforcements can still be swing bars, which will make up the platforms. In this class we learned how to edit an existing grid and saw how to add lines to this grid, complementing its structure.